Hello guys, this is Egbo20 back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the XTU Action Camera, telling you why this cannot be a GoPro killer. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell for more videos. On the side of the camera you get your micro USB and your HDMI port, but unfortunately I was unsuccessful when testing out the HDMI port. Under the camera you get the micro SD card and battery port. Okay, then now let's turn on the camera. You might notice that the ports aren't fully closed on this camera. This is because to open these ports is very hard, so I just decided to leave them partially open so that I can easily access the ports. If you hold the M button for a few seconds, you'll be able to access the front screen of the camera, but bear it in mind that it is not touchscreen. With this camera you get a plethora of accessories. This isn't even everything, but I'm not really covering accessories in this video. Now let's put our memory card inside of the camera. Do note that whenever you put your memory card inside of the camera, you have to make sure that your memory card is formatted before it can be used on this camera. Okay, so let's just take a quick picture with this camera. Here's one cool thing about this camera. You have the option to use voice commands with this camera if you want to. You also have the option to use this strap to control the camera. You also have a ton of options when you want to take pictures and videos too, as you're seeing on the screen right now. Now with that out of the way, let's show you some video footage from this camera. Okay, so this is me filming with the XTU Action Camera. Look at it right here. So what are my thoughts about this camera? Well, for this camera, as I said, this camera cannot be a GoPro killer because it does not have the best quality and other things. Even though this camera is somewhat decent, but it's not the best, and I would recommend that use this camera as a dash cam for your car, as a hidden camera, a security camera, something like that. And if you want to still make videos with it, you can probably do some vlogging, but I would recommend that you do that outside where there's light. Anyway, if you still want to look at this camera, the link will be in the description of this video. Anyway, comment below what would you use this camera to do, what other uses are there for this camera, and be sure to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell for more videos, and follow me on all my social media pages. And I hope I see you guys next time. Peace out.